Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to find the centroid of a L section. First, let us divide the section into two parts. The given section is a equal angle section, so the vertical leg and the horizontal leg will have the same length and width. The centroid will lie exactly at same distance from the vertical face AC and from the horizontal face AB. So y bar will be equal to the x bar. Let us find the area of the vertical leg. 120 into 20. Length into width. We are getting 2400 mm square. Area of horizontal leg, that is the second part, 100 into 20. 2000 mm square. So let us find the center of gravity of the vertical leg. Y1 equal to half of 120, 60 mm from the base AB. Now Y2 is half of 20. That is, center of gravity of the horizontal leg will lie at 10 mm from the base AB. Now y bar equal to A1 y1 plus A2 y2 by total area. A1 plus A2. A1 2400 into y1 60 plus A2 2000 into 10 y2 by area 2400 plus 2000. So by calculating we will get the answer as 37.27 mm. So x bar and y bar is 37.27 mm. Centroid of the given section lies at 37.27 mm from the AC and AB.